Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. I lost a bet, so Crystal challenged me to come up with a crockpot recipe. So today I'm going to be making chicken pot pie in a crockpot. I've got my crockpot here on high and I've set it to manual so I can check it rather than being like on a timer. And I've got 2 chicken breasts that I've chopped up here and I'm getting ready to season them. Alright, so I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken with some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. Alright, so now we're going to add this into the crock pot. Alright. So next, we're going to be doing some cream of chicken soup. So we're going to start with a couple cans. This one is a cream of chicken soup with herbs by Campbell's. Give that a little mix. And I did spray this crock pot before I started with my nonstick spray. Let's add another can of soup. Oops. So this is a regular cream of chicken soup. Grabbed a couple cans of each. So I'm just going to season that a little bit more with just a little bit of rosemary. A little bit of thyme. And a little bit of sage. Mix that up. Now we're going to put the lid on and let that cook for a while. Alright, so it's been about 4 hours. And now I have a can of peas and carrots that I've drained. So we're going to add that in. And give that a mix. Alright, and we're gonna put our lid back on that. Alright, now I'm gonna make Pillsbury biscuits. Alright, the biscuits are done. I put them in there so they can start soaking up some of that nice sauce, and we will be ready to serve it. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.